to KidsVision TV. Hi kids and welcome back to my channel. Today we are coloring to draw Anna and Elsa. You can color with me. First I am coloring Anna's hair, brown color. I love to color Anna's hair. It has two braids. Color Anna's gown with dark purple color.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo.
Hope you will be enjoying
skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's color its dress. Light green color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo loo.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my
Color slowly
darling.
with
Found
dark
my
blue color.
partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my
other
loo, my
side.
darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo, loo
I am coloring in the middle of the front.
loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my
The
loo, my
princess body is
darling.
almost done. I am coloring in sleeves, sky blue color, and other sleeves. Anna's dress looking so nice. In color, I am coloring Anna's face. It's cute face. Let's color other side of its face. I am coloring its hand, another hand. It's time to color Elsa's hair with silver color. It's time to color Elsa's braid. Color Elsa's dress. Sky blue color. I am coloring its chest. Sky blue color.
A B C D E F G
Elsa's
H
gown.
I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know
Let's go
my
with the
ABCs.
Elsa's
Next
gown.
time, won't you sing
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's glitter in dress. They are looking so pretty and beautiful. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Next coming up video.